Hello everyone, welcome to Suflan YouTube channel and your Sushma ma'am back again with a new session, the continuation of the construction. Okay, so today is the sixth session of the construction of 8th grade ICSE board. So what is the new, what we are going to learn in this? So in the previous classes we learned how to construct the parallelogram, quadrilaterals, yes, the perpendicular bisector, how to construct the bisectors, the angles, triangles, a lot. But today we are going to learn how to construct rhombus. So we already learned that the construction of the rectangles also. So here the different type of quadrilaterals which consist of the different properties and which resembles with the same others also. Okay, but before that, for our new viewers, first I'll introduce what is Suflan. So Suflan is India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10, and here all the classes are 100% live and interactive. So here students get their personal attention of their teachers. Yes, because the maximum number of students only 6, even 1 or 2 also, that's depend on the parents demand according to their request. And we have the special academic team, so those who are working on student progress, they are seeing whether student doing their homework or not on the regular basis, and they are in regular touch with parents. And we are covering your syllabus as per your school schedules. So it may be ICSE, CBSE, other state boards. So according to your request, we are providing the same syllabus, and you can see here on this YouTube also we provide the ICSE board as well as the CBSE board. So the same thing happened with the kids enrolled with us on our classes. So there they'll get more detailed things, the monthly tests, surprise tests, their homeworks, everything they get from their teachers. And we are also handling the custom requests. So custom request means if you enroll with us and you require some extra classes, and suppose one chapter is not completed and your exams is coming, so if you want that extra classes, revision classes, we provide the same. And after completion of every lesson plan, we assign some homeworks. It may be that objective one or the subjective means descriptive. So our well-trained teacher guide our student how to score better, yes, in the school exams. And plus you will get the 4500 plus practice test, that is unlimited. If you enroll with us with only one subject, then also you have the right to attempt the different practice test. And every Sunday we are conducting SAT. What is the meaning of SAT? That SAT is Suflan Academics Test Series. It's a live test, and those students get in the leadership, yes, board, so they'll get some scholarship from our end. So देर किस बात के, जल्दी से एक ट्रायल क्लास बुक कीजिए, and you can share your experience with me in the chat box. And if you want to see what other things we are providing, you can visit to our site, that is www.suflan.com. Yes, so you can see here all these things. You can follow us on the Instagrams, yes, Facebook, LinkedIn, and you can see all these things in the description box too. Is it clear? Okay, so let's move. So here for our new viewers, अगर जिन्होंने अभी तक हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब इट। और जो हमारे साथ पहले से है, और मुझे पता है कि हमारे साथ बहुत सारे बच्चे जुड़े हुए हैं और वो कंटिन्यूसली डिफरेंट ग्रेड्स के डिफरेंट टॉपिक्स हमारे इसमें देखते रहते हैं। यस, एंड इफ यू डोंट वांट टू मिस एनी ऑफ द अपडेट, प्रेस द बेल आइकन, एंड इफ यू फील दिस क्लास इज हेल्पफुल फॉर यू, प्रेस द लाइक बटन, कमेंट एंड शेयर, क्योंकि पढ़ेगा इंडिया तभी तो बढ़ेगा इंडिया। आप खुद भी पढ़िए, और जो आपके क्लासमेट्स हैं, आपके फ्रेंड्स हैं, रिलेटिव्स हैं, इफ़ यू फील कि आप 6th ग्रेड में हैं बट यहाँ पे मैम 8th ग्रेड का कर रही है और आपको पता है कि 8th ग्रेड में आपके कोई फ्रेंड है या रिलेटिव्स हैं, यू कैन शेयर द वीडियो। यस, तो आपका भी फायदा और दूसरे का भी फायदा। तो चलिए आज की क्लास कंटिन्यू करते हैं, दैट इज द कंस्ट्रक्शन 6. So in this class we are going to learn how to construct a rhombus and this different specific condition, that when one side and one angle are given, and the other thing is construct a rhombus when one side and one diagonal are given. Okay, and the third one is construct a rhombus when both diagonals are given. Oh my god. Okay, but before that let me check your knowledge. So in the last one, in the 5th session, we learned how to construct rectangles. Yes, याद है, प्रैक्टिस की थी स्टूडेंट्स. सो बी रेडी विद योर tools because construction है and बिना tools के आपका कुछ नहीं हो सकता है, नहीं हो सकता है. Okay, so let's continue. So here the question for you: construct a rectangle whose adjacent sides are of length 5 centimeter and 3.5. Adjacent, consecutive, side by side. So properties क्या है rectangle की? Rectangle की properties हैं the opposite sides are equal in length. Yes, and rectangle have all the properties of parallelogram. So rectangle is also parallelogram. Here all the angles. So सबसे पहले हम एक क्या करते हैं, रफ स्केच बनाते हैं. Okay, this is my rectangle. So आपको पता है कि ये जो angles होते हैं they are all of 90 degree. साइन से ही पता लग गया होगा, है ना. So here this one is 5 centimeter. So this one is 3.5 centimeter. अगर ये 5 centimeter, so this one is also 5 centimeter. This one is 3.5 centimeter. Okay. So ये एक rough sketch आपने बना लिया. Because एक idea आपको पता लग जाएगा कि कौन सी side कहाँ होगी और इसके name. Yes. A, B, C. This one is the final. Okay. Now let's see how to construct. So construct करने के लिए क्या चाहिए? Pen या pencil? Obvious, pencil, not pen. Okay, and the tools. So here first I draw the line segment that is of 5 centimeter. आप कहीं से भी start कर सकते हो. Okay, AB 5 centimeter. Now अब क्या करना है? आपको पता है कि angle कितना है? 90 degree. And I already told you how to draw the 90 degree angles, perpendicular, bisect and all those things. Yes, or you can use your protractor also. Suppose आपने यहाँ से किया. Okay, this point here. From this point here cut an arc and with the help of ruler you join this. Okay, so this is your 90 degree. So अब क्या करना है? Now A as a radius and the A as a center and the radius 3.5 centimeter. Cut an arc over here. So this point is your D. Similarly आपको यहाँ से भी क्या करना है? 90 डिग्री का ऐसे ही एंगल आपने क्या करना है? ड्रॉ कर लेना है. Okay, so now 3.5 centimeter B as a center, 3.5 centimeter as an radius. You had to cut an arc over here. अब या तो आप इसको directly join कर दीजिए. Okay, these 2 points. या फिर D as a center, draw 90 degree again. Okay, so यहाँ से लगाया यहाँ और फिर आपने and then with the help of ruler you just simply join these 2 points. Okay, so अब यहाँ पर क्या हुआ कि मैम आपका आर्क तो ऊपर चला गया because I am just cutting like this. Okay, so जब आप इसको कंपास के थ्रू बनाएंगे, कंस्ट्रक्ट करेंगे तो obviously आपको बिल्कुल प्रॉपर आएगा. Clear? So this one is 5 centimeter ना, so this one is 5 centimeter. Easy? तो चलिए I'll show you the final this type of figure. Okay, so here if you draw this one, so are you able to get the full marks? No. Why? Because something is missing. What is that? Construction steps. Okay, so you have to draw the construction steps. You have to write down that. Okay, so now the next thing is construct a rectangle ABCD if AB equals to 4.5 centimeter and that BC is 5.5 centimeter. So first thing, always rough sketch. Okay, now the name is given, that is ABCD. So AB is 4.5 centimeter and BC is 5.5. Now this one is 4.5, so obvious this one is 4.5 centimeter. Yes. And this one is 5.5, so this one is 5.5 centimeter. Clear? अब आप बोलोगे मैम अभी तो हमने ड्रॉ किया था. Yes, the same thing. So here in the previous one you draw the 90 degree angle from the D. Here you can directly go with that. Okay? So आप किसी भी साइड से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं. I'll draw with AB. Now AB segment that is of length 4.5 centimeter. Okay. Now अब आपको पता है आपको क्या करना है यहाँ से 90 degree. Yes, so this point, this and this, and you cut an arc over here, and the same thing we'll do with from the B. Okay, so आपने इसको रूलर से ज्वाइन किया. Now the radius is of 5.5 centimeter. A as a center and radius 5.5 centimeter. So you cut an arc over here. This point is your D. Similarly, B as a center, and now 5.5 centimeter, this point is C, and simply here with the help of ruler you can draw this. ओके या फिर एक काम और आप कर सकते थे कि आपने इसको ड्रॉ किया या फिर C से आपने 4.5 लिया और एक और आर्क लगा दिया, then you will get this intersection point D. There are a lot of ways to construct. मैथ्स का यही फायदा है, we have a number of methods to get a same answer, है ना? So याद नहीं करना है, just you have to construct and write down the steps whatever you are just following. Okay, so now come to our new topic, that is rhombus. So first let's recall the properties of rhombus, what are the properties, and then we will learn how to construct rhombus. Now here we have the two figures, one is kite and the other one is rhombus. So what are the properties? Is it kite is a rhombus? Is rhombus is a kite? Is rhombus is a parallelogram? Is kite is a rhombus or parallelogram? Let's see. So here actually rhombus is kite. I'll tell you why. And rhombus is parallelogram. Why? But kite is not a parallelogram. Here you can see the property. First thing is the first property of rhombus, all the sides are equal. All sides are equal. Suppose I'll give here name A, B, C, D. Okay. So AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to AD. All the side. The same property of square. Yes, but square is a rhombus, but rhombus is not a square. क्यों? Because rhombus के पास square के पास कुछ extra properties है. Okay, now the next thing is let's talk about the diagonals. So here this diagonal are bisecting each other because मैंने आपको बोला rhombus is a parallelogram. Parallelogram की property हम already recall कर चुके हैं, and in understanding in the quadrilateral we learn in detail. Yes, so यहाँ पर this BD is not equal to AC, but OD equals to OB. This is a property of parallelogram. But extra क्या property है rhombus के पास? They are bisecting, but they are not simply bisecting. Actually, they are perpendicular bisect. Okay, जब ये bisect करते हैं, so here it's form a 90-degree angle. That is an extra property of rhombus. That's why rhombus is a parallelogram, but parallelogram is not a rhombus. And in the parallelogram, opposite sides are equal, but in rhombus, all the sides are equal. Extra property. Okay, parallel तो होती है extra भी. Now come to this kite. So in a kite, all the sides are not equal, but here that two sides are equal. Okay, means here I can say the consecutive adjacent sides are equal. Means this and this and this. जैसे आप यहाँ पर देख सकते हो, if I'll give the name A, B, C, D. So this AD equals to AB and CD equals to BC. Same properties में भी है. Yes, rhombus में. So मतलब ये काइट की प्रॉपर्टी किसने ली? rhombus के पास है. rhombus के पास अपनी खुद की भी extra properties है. Okay, and here it's also the diagonals also perpendicular. Okay, bisecting perpendicular. बट ये बाइसेक्ट नहीं, परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर रहा है बट दे आर नॉट बाइसेक्टिंग ईच अदर. एक डायगोनल तो बाइसेक्ट हो रहा है बट नॉट द अदर वन. सो हियर इफ आई टेक O, सो OD equals to OB. OD equals to OB, but OA is not equals to OC. Okay, and here that's perpendicular. Okay, so that's why the sum of the properties of kite which under the rhombus. So इसलिए kite is not a rhombus, but rhombus is a kite. Clear? I hope यहाँ तक. और अगर आपको डिटेल में इसको देखना है, you can go back to the other previous topics. Okay, previous sessions को आप देख सकते हो, previous videos को देख सकते हो. Understanding in the quadrilaterals. So in very detail we learn all the properties of different type of quadrilateral, the special type of quadrilateral which comes under the parallelogram. So here the point we obtained rhombus as a special case of kite, which is not a parallelogram. Kite is not a parallelogram because ये देखो आप साइड क्या है, are they parallel? No. So all sides are not parallel. That's why kite is not a parallelogram. So always remember all the sides of rhombus are same length. Yes, but ये case kite के साथ नहीं है. So these are the property. Opposite side of rhombus have same length, the same as parallelogram. Yes, so rhombus has all the properties of parallelogram and also that of kite. Plus it's having their own properties. So property, the diagonal of rhombus are perpendicular bisector of one another. Okay. So half तो करता ही है, साथ में 90 डिग्री का एंगल भी फॉर्म करता है. बट ये केस सेम हमारे पैरेललोग्राम में नहीं था. यस, वहां पर एंगल हमारे डिफरेंट थे. एंड द सेम थिंग हैपन विद दैट रेक्टेंगल ऑल्सो. इन द रेक्टेंगल द अपोजिट ऑल द एंगल्स आर ऑफ 90 डिग्री, बट दे आर नॉट परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्टिंग ईच अदर. है ना, डायगोनल परपेंडिकुलर बाइसेक्ट नहीं करे, दे आर ओनली सिंपली बाइसेक्टिंग. सो आर यू एक्साइटेड टू कंस्ट्रक्ट rhombus? Okay, so these are the properties, and now let's move to the specific conditions. So the first condition is rhombus when one side and one angle are given. One side is nothing but all the sides. Let's see the question. So here the question is, construct a rhombus having given one side equals to 4.8 centimeter and one angle is 75 degree. Okay, तो ये sides के बीच का angle है. That's not in between the diagonals. Okay, so how to construct? So first thing is we have to always draw the rough sketch. So you'll say, ma'am, this one is a rectangle. Yes, but I'm just drawing a rough sketch. Okay, so here the name is ABCD. All the sides 4.8. So आप इसको rectangle मत मान के चलो, आप इसको square मान के चलो. Okay, 4.8, 4.8, 4.8. And in the parallelogram, opposite angles are equal. So suppose ये 75 डिग्री है. So 75 डिग्री के लिए आपको क्या करना पड़ेगा? You have to base. You have to draw the base. Okay, so इसको हम थोड़ा hide कर देते हैं and let's construct here. Okay. So first thing is we have to draw the base, and so here I'll take the base as 4.8 centimeter. Okay. So AB, that is of length 4.8 centimeter, and you can draw with the help of protractor or with the help of compass. Okay. So here I'll go with simply with the line. So the angle is 75 degree. So is something like that. Okay, 75 degree. So now A as a center, and from A what is the side? That is 4.8. So actually आपको प्रॉपर्टी पता है तो आप इजीली करोगे, बट जिसको प्रॉपर्टी नहीं है वो सोचेगा कि मैं क्या करूं, मैं साइड कहाँ लगाऊं, अपोजिट एक साइड तो इक्वल है. ओके फाइन, बट व्हाट अबाउट दिस? बट इफ यू नो द प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ rhombus, so you know all the sides are of equal length. So A as a center, and you have to draw the cut an arc of radius 4.8 centimeters. So 4.8. Okay, this one is 4.8. Similarly, B as a center, you cut an arc of 4.8. Okay, now we don't know what is this point, how we'll get. So suppose this is your D, this intersection point. So now D as a center and the radius of 4.8 centimeters. So you will get this intersection point C, and with the help of ruler simply join these points and see, you will get your rhombus. Okay, sorry. So with the help of property you can easily construct any quadrilateral, any figure. That's not special, we are talking about quadrilateral, anything. So you must know the properties. Okay, so I'll show you the steps, because steps is very much compulsory, important if you want to score full out of full. So first thing is draw a line segment AB 4.8. Okay, now the next, draw an angle. So here you need to give the name of the ray. Okay, 75 degree, and A as a center, the same thing. And now mark point D. See each and every step. No need to memorize, no need to rectification, anything. Just remember what you are drawing and then just write down in your own words. Easy words. Okay, not the difficult one. So here when you in the final you join all the points CD and the CB, so you will get your final. Now the next case is rhombus when one side is nothing but all the sides given, and one diagonal is also given here. Okay, so let's construct this rhombus. So here we have a question. Construct a rhombus having given one side that is 4 centimeter and the diagonal is 5 centimeter. Okay, diagonal 5 centimeter. Okay, so here the question. So we'll draw the rough sketch first. Okay, तो हम इसको थोड़ा स्क्वायर टाइप में ड्रॉ करते हैं. Okay. Now this one is A, B, C and D. Okay. So all the sides 4 centimeter. 4. One side is given, so we know that all are 4 centimeter. And the diagonal is 5 centimeter. Okay. So here how to construct? So first thing is base. So the line segment that is of 4 centimeter. एक्चुअली ये इस टाइप के जो पर्टिकुलर कुछ केसेस हैं ये हर टाइप के कोऑर्डिनेटर में सेम ही होते हैं, बट आपको जस्ट एक आइडिया होना चाहिए कि अगर साइड्स दी है, डायगोनल ड्रॉ करना है. ओके, यू कैन गो विद द इवन डायगोनल आल्सो. सो आई विल टेल यू हाउ यू कैन ड्रॉ विद द 2 डिफरेंट मेथड्स. Okay, so now AB as a base. Okay, now A as a center, and you have to cut an arc of the radius 5 centimeter. चलिए, and now B as a center and 4 centimeter as a radius. So simply join these 2 points. Okay, and you will get this C. Similarly, A as a center and D you need to draw. Okay, 4 centimeter as a radius, cut an arc over it. Now C center, 4 centimeter radius, and you will get this D. So with the help of ruler, join these points and see you will get this A, B, C, D, because you know this property. एक तो ये वाला केस हो गया when you know all the sides and one diagonal. The other thing is, I told you in the quadrilaterals, in the parallelograms, yes. So whenever the diagonal is given and sides is given, because you know the property here, that's why. Okay, so you can start with the your diagonal also, diagonal as a base. So I'll tell you how to draw that one. So here we have the diagonal length that is of 5 centimeter. So first draw the line segment that is of 5 centimeter length. So here I can say its AC is 5 centimeter. Now A as a center, and you have to take a radius of 4 centimeter. Okay, so cut an arc over here, cut an arc over here, because आपको पता है कि side same है. Okay, now C as a center and 4 centimeter as a radius, cut an arc over it, cut an arc, and join these points. Easy. So this one is your B and this one is your D. So see, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. Okay, this is the final rhombus. Clear? I hope that this is very much clear to all. So the steps you must know. So I am not going to show you because कि स्टेप्स आप सोचोगे कि ये क्या हो रहा है दोबारा. सो एक्सप्लेनेशन पे ध्यान देना है और उसके बाद खुद प्रैक्टिस करनी है और उसको फिर हमें अपने वर्ड्स में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. ओके, सो हियर वी हैव द वन मोर केस. ओके, सो यहाँ एक क्वेश्चन है कि किसी भी क्वाड्रिलेटर को ड्रॉ करने के लिए हमें 5 मेजरमेंट्स चाहिए. यस, the 4 sides, 1 diagonal and maybe 2 sides, one that particular angle, 2 so how we can draw any, how we can construct, can we construct any quadrilateral if we don't have the 5 measurement with us? Okay, so here we have a question. Okay, yes, we have case that is the rhombus, that are the special case. So let's see that one. So first one is question, is it possible to construct a rhombus ABCD? AC is 6 centimeter and BD is 7 centimeter. Can we construct a rhombus? So first thing is draw a rhombus. Yes, construct a rough sketch that is ABCD. So AC is 6 centimeter and BD is 7 centimeter. This time you don't know about these sides. Okay, so how to proceed with this type of case? You don't know. Okay, so you know the property, the diagonal are bisecting, perpendicular bisecting each other. Yes, perpendicular bisecting. So if this one is 6 centimeter, AC is 6 centimeter, so OA equals to OC, that is half of that. So 6 half is 3 centimeter. Okay, BD, that is 7 centimeter. So OB equals to OD. So 7 half is 3.5 centimeter. Clear? Okay. So now what we have to do? We have to start, and now the angle between the diagonal, that is of 90 degree perpendicular bisect. Okay. So अभी हम यहाँ से start करते हैं. So I'll draw this OA. Okay. OA, and that's length of 3 centimeter. Now O as a center, and you have to draw an angle of 90 degree. Okay, basic now 90 degree आपने ड्रॉ कर लिया. अब क्या करेंगे? Yes, सोचो. Now O as a center, and you have to take a radius of 3.5 centimeter. Cut an arc over here. Okay. Now इस 3 को हम क्या करेंगे? एक्सटेंड करेंगे. 90 डिग्री आप ड्रॉ कर सकते हो. 90 डिग्री, दिस एंगल 90 डिग्री. ओके, नाउ 3 सेंटीमीटर. Similarly, this one is your 3.5 centimeter. Now this one is B, this one is C, and this one is your D. And simply with the help of ruler, join these points. Okay, so you don't know the side, but you know the diagonal's length, and you know the property that all the diagonals are perpendicular bisector each other. Clear? So here in this case, without knowing the 5 measurement, easily we can construct a rhombus. Even this case also applicable for the squares, for the other different cases also. So these are the special cases. Okay, so here these are the property and these are the steps, and you will get this one. So here we have a question, rhombus when both diagonal are given. This is the special case. Okay, so when both diagonal, so here both diagonal are given, why it's not included the angle between the diagonal? Because you know, if you know the property, they are perpendicular bisectors, so there is no need to mention the angle between. In the previous cases, in the rectangles or in the parallelogram, it's given when two diagonals length and the angle between them is given. But what about rhombus? So in that there is no need to mention, because that is everyone know, those who know the properties of this. So the angle between in the diagonal, that is of 90 degree. Okay, so here we have a question. So ये question जैसा अभी हमने किया था, that is the same. So first thing is to draw the rough sketch. Okay, A, B, C, D, and the diagonal length, that is 6 centimeter, and this one is here 8 centimeter. So if AC is 6 centimeter, so half of AC is, that is 3 centimeter, means OA equals to OC. Okay, OA equals to OC, that is 3 centimeter. Similarly, BD equals to 8 centimeter. So half of 8 is equals to 4 centimeter. So OB equals to OD. Okay, OB equals to OD. Now angle is 90. So अभी just हमने किया था the same. Okay, so you can go with this OA or OB. Let's draw this time with OB. OB length, that is 4 centimeter. Now with this you have to draw 90 degree, construct 90 degree angle. Okay, so ये थोड़ा सा नाइन्टी डिग्री एंगल. ओके, सो ये यहाँ पर हम इससे ड्रॉ कर रहे हैं, इसलिए जब आप मेजरमेंट रूल्स के थ्रू करेंगे, सो दैट यू विल गेट इजीली. सो नाउ O एज अ सेंटर, एंड यू हैव टू टेक रेडियस ऑफ 3 सेंटीमीटर. सो दिस वन. ओके, सो अब आपको क्या करना है, विद द हेल्प ऑफ रूलर यू कैन एक्सटेंड दिस वन. and this one also till 4 centimeter. Okay, so this is your 4 and this is your 3 centimeter. Now name A, B, C and D, and with the help of ruler simply join these points. And you'll get your final rhombus. Okay, so without knowing the sides also you can construct a rhombus or any quadrilateral. So this is the final one. Okay, so here the fact, you know, rhombus is a parallelogram. Yes, I already told you the properties and all these things, but rhombus is having all the sides of equal in length, and the rhombus word actually comes from this Greek word rhombus. And what is the meaning of that? Spinning top. Okay, so the best example is girls' earrings. Yes, so that if you see that one, it's in the shape of that spinning one. Yes, it's always revolving. It's this. So rhombus is sometimes called a diamond, but that not all rhombi are in the diamond shape. Okay, so this is the some fact, and here I have one question, one homework for you. Now, can you tell me all the shapes that can be in the rhombus? So enlist some few real life examples of rhombus. So इसके answers आपको chat box में मुझे देने हैं, and I'll announce the names of the winner, those who gave more examples of the rhombus shapes. Okay, so here what we have learned, so we have learned here the construct of rhombus with the condition. So when one side one angle given, one side one diagonal given, and no sides only two diagonals given. Okay, so here this is the end of this session. Thank you, and don't forget to like this video, and जिन्होंने अभी तक चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है, सब्सक्राइब दिस चैनल एंड प्रेस द बेल आइकन so you'll never miss any of the update. Okay, so मेहनत करते रहिए, और मेहनत करना बस इस टाइप से, बिकॉज आपके एग्जाम्स बहुत पास में आ चुके हैं, और हमने यहाँ पर मोस्ट प्रोबेबली हमने पूरा सिलेबस आपका कवर कर दिया है, ICSE एंड CBSE. सो आप पर्टिकुलर सब्जेक्ट का, अगर आपको ऐसा लगता है मुझे ये पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक में कंफ्यूजन है, सो हमने एक ही वीडियो में आपको पूरा कंप्लीट नहीं करके दिया है. फर्स्ट वी एक्सप्लेन दैट इंट्रो पार्ट, सम एग्जांपल्स, नंबर ऑफ थिंग, मे बी इन 2 or 3 classes, 2 sessions we complete the particular lesson plan. Okay, so just visit that one. If you subscribe the channel, so you'll get the notification of that. Okay, so मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट सेशन में सुषमा मैम के साथ. तब तक के लिए बाय बाय, सी यू, बी सेफ, स्टे एट होम.